Do you want to see your Asana account inside? Let me show you your Asana account inside. This is super easy. Now, once you're inside Asana, click your account on the upper right hand side and click on the admin console. Now, the admin console gives you something called insights, and that shows you some really interesting information about your account here. So you want to click on insight, and this shows you all the members that you have. So if you have 100 members, then it's going to show you that you have that much of members. It's going to show you the number of projects that you have and also the number of tasks. Now you scroll on here and you can see the engagements. That's going to show you, it's going to show you the created task, the task completed, the task comments. So you can see all of that added right here. And below it basically show you the members. So it shows recently added and it shows most influential members. So you get also some additional information right here. It's not a whole lot of insights that you get, but it's something to actually keep you up to date with what's going on. So if you're admin within the Asana account, this is some relevant information that you just need to be aware of in general, right? And that's pretty much it.